Back in the 1700s, this entire valley was a foul-smelling, man-made lake called the Nor Loch. It served as the city's main waste pit, and the stench was supposedly unbearable for everyone living nearby. Fortunately today, the valley has completely transformed. Up ahead is Sir Walter's Cafe, a popular little kiosk that serves up great coffee, ice cream and treats with plenty of outdoor seating nearby. Today, Princes Street Gardens is a stunning 37-acre park right in the heart of the capital. These gardens are home to the world's very first floral clock. Built in 1903, it's a fully functioning timepiece crafted entirely from thousands of living plants. A beautiful idea that has since been used worldwide. Every winter, this quiet park completely transforms into a festive market wonderland, featuring traditional gift stalls, an ice rink, and a giant 100-foot Ferris wheel.